video, we're going to be showing you how to replace a main board on your Genmega G2500. And the reason we're replacing the main board is because we ran a bunch of diagnostics on this machine, and this main board is a little bit older and we were having problems getting it to connect to the internet. So we're going to go ahead and swap this main board with the ACU6 and get this new main board into the machine now. So before you do work on your machine, you're going to want to make sure you do power it off on your power brick. There is a red button, so we'll just hit that right now. And your machine should power off, and now you're ready to start unscrewing things. So we'll go ahead and show you the back side right now.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.